Ebuja wa ma okwa ba yan fa won bra Sedea tie ne adwumadi so AdomTV so ye frame da che hene na na ya wa asante de Nyankopon ase se ne so ode ya che yen na wa mama akonya amama wura wo fie mu na ye ba bedi enkomo kai se dom likisi ebu a wo ma hene kwabena asante ene yesi ohene sampanyifo yi na omobọ mechiri bọ madonten ma me de adwumadi yi me de ebrewo. This time around the NDC at the crossroads regional elections no ekoso na national elections somewhere in the 19th of next month December na say elections and also baso na one of the contests are very strong the chairmanship position na the only chairman of the NDC chairman Ofosu Ampofo dudu no freno brasami photo ono na menene baba twetwe enkomo na enkomo dudu aye bibia ho sane se me de wuka sei chairman emame edafom a ye nyampe ne kura bre kura nti se ye be sha se kura chairman ma o yakọ
yo ni nyame da se
se bibia boko de
enye boko sa because baye na otwe ne kakra ni na me wo me call Western North na me feel na me besi Ashanti region se me start aprobo Ashanti region me ye 3 constituencies pe and e frame se me ma me yare mo ayedi nti memra ti mama to America at the last flight by mama ka se me driver no do mo fafam no mo mra me du Accra na anopa me yes me kokofo du akohwe no na me sister frame me Ofosu se me mama nyame dia nti ade a akohayem ne mabusu engineer pa because your mama no a pivot or ye obutantimu a ye nyina atwere no osan aye oduma ye nyina tsana se ekogimi oye people's mother na niku ye ho aboa ye abedu ba bia na ye nyina ahwe kwan se obetumi atrase ache kakra na ba mo wu aba ba fa no nti ama asan ya disorganize me if you say owo ndie na ete bia beba na ebre nso owo no fa so ba ye no so aye ebre bia ha mi kase na nso nyame no nim kwan a ofa so hye ne niam na ma da adofo nso ase free omampanyi dada Yondamani Mahama ABC ne running mate Professor Nano Poko Ajima say Dr. Dufo Kranso and in the team eba ha ebechia me minority leader and MP's caucus over here if you are ne higher ma nyina bechia me ye council of elders Alhaji Muhammad Risu eda o mano so ebechia me ewo ha ye pro forum Ambassador Sampiyali eda no so aba bechia me na communicators both female communicators na communication officers so ababichia me nti mefa no say nipa no bebre na nya akwanya no atime ababichia me ababa ma me hyeden na ye bon nya me mpa say na otweda ne duru a omo nyina beboa ye na yatime observe eno na fe yatime ehu da de bekata na chi krakra
na otweda no medi na ban
na me ya Adom 25th of November and the Bedin Okofodua Jubilee Park.
Mpenye force yesu kra ye jan hen enti akokoba ne sei na wo se ye hwe sane se anya bia no ye nim se NDC mu se kwa akono ebra wusu wugine mu akwakọ contest nsem etwagu abonten ne ade chama Ofosu Ampofo be ma be ye bi wan be ni nyina wodi kan akọ okono ba ko anse da amfa ma this time around kasi from na nke nya moja foforo mba mbabo arenjira wonya nza
oh mejide say ne omo a say nipa nyina ati ase ne say so experience captain odi okon anima na odi team anima yen sansesa no when the team is not performing badly if you say we 2016 emra yekoto aba ye hwere nkonwa be ye aduonum miensa ye dinkugu be ye ofepepe baako sabre na se ode obi ba se o mejina party na nimu na nye akono but esan se me masom party no na party na tete me na party no I invest in me ntino me ye madwen se me atie bia no meba na maba beboa ni ntia me yes ma beboa ne se party no ehu me ntempa wo mra me 29 years na me ye branch organizer ewo Fanti Akwabososo na you win 1992 elections no and chekura be yafe na omampanyi JJ Rollins e pa o be se menye abankrache e DC e Fanti Akwa sabre na mindi mfie aduasa koraa ɛna ɔde me hwɛ sa adwuma no me yɛ adwuma no bɛyɛ mfie me nsa no ɛna the good people of Antiakwa ɛka so madwuma aso ani nti wɔn pɛ sɛ me gyina wɔn nan mu ɛwɔ parliament ɛma no so no me nya overwhelming endorsement ɛma me kɔ contest 1996 elections no ɛma me di nkunim kɔ parliament me kɔ parliament nso nya me nkyade mra ɔmampanyi JJ Rollins ɛma appointment no ɛna ɔma me deputy minister for Eastern region ɛna me ba ɛhɔ bɛboa ɛyɛ adwuma kɔpem sɛ yɛdu 2000 yɛkɔ abato no yɛ ninkunim but me de me di nkunim ɛma me san ba parliament bio for my second term saa time no na 2001 yɛ started say yɛ reorganize party no after the defeat in 2000 na ɛhɔ nso no me nim ne yɛ ɛna me din kɔ pie mu sɛ ɔmo mfa me nka national reorganization committee na Dr. Beda Samoa ɛda no na ɛde me kɔ ka ho ɛna ɛkɔ apro Ghana ha nyinaa yɛwie yɛ no na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛbɛyɛ congress ɛwɔ La Trade Fair ne yɛyi national offices sɛ na yɛbɛyɛ ai ɛna mpanyinfoɔ ɛde bɛto manim sɛ ɔmo hwɛ ma ho fama ma ho keka ne madwuma a meyɛ during the reorganization a yɛde kɔ country no mu na ɔmfo sɛ mbɛyɛ national organizer yɛbɛboa party no ɛna me sɛ saa brɛ no nso de meyɛ sitting member of parliament adan na metimi abɛyɛ organizer bi meyɛ ya ɔmo sɛ me anom pɛ sɛ meyɛ saa adwuma for the love of my party until I decided to sacrifice my time and my energy in my holding na my budget national organizer no SNBP MP no so and I just say two full-time jobs I know so me de ahoden hye mu pa ma me ye my party no 2004 no ye bo modern ya ma ka Professor Mills edi nkonim and na second round enti ye wie ye no na me ye imagine say metwa sa adwuma no so nti ye call congress to 2006 Ofosu Eredex and I'm san ko gina as national organizer and I'm san to abama me bio and I'm bidi party no as organizer nti enu mu ne de aye adwuma boa ye kosi say President Mills e win 2008 election the 2014 and no so no me de me ho kodwan mu say me de party adwuma na eda me koma so nti me kojina as national vice chairman and so me na the highest number of votes and me buy me nya buy ya no so the director of elections SNP so ma me view nti every time bia na say double and na me ye adwuma and na ye de ye adwuma fufi antoata a ye ntimi en win 2016 election nti bra me hu say 2016 no ya ho den kofom na ya lose election na ya lose so many seats no me hwe mu na me hu say me my apprentice ahye baby amadu no o say me de nim die ene me nsuo hu ebedi party nanim nti me ye consultation including Yewura Kofi Potofi no ye chairman me ko ne fie na me ko bisa no so onko bio na me sende me baju nsam nhira na mako akogina eno hira me kosa se me nko na ne tumi ne sunsum tamachi no kwasem ne nyame nso boa me ba ye ne party photo abama me na mbedi party nanim as chairman wo hwe adwuma ya ye from 2018 2 years echo 2020 abato no mu a ye dane party nani we produce one of the best manifestos ye bo modern say ye be ye organization bi a ebi nsi da ye bo modern say ye de party no be ma party for nti regional chairman were made campaign committee chairman constituency chairman were made campaign committee chairman and na national so no ye te a very strong campaign team a Professor Joshua Labia na oye one of the contestants against President Mahama ye be ye the campaign manager adenti na ye nesa if you say ye to abawie ye a oman win no for the first time so party history mu no me bo modern ba prof a womo contest ni nyina within 1 week come na ba party office e be pledge support at the moment nti e momo nyina nso be ye adwuma no nti one of the ingredients e ma success e party bia mu no e unity say unity wo ho na inclusiveness wo ho a obi aye adwuma nkonimdie e betimi aba
tama inclusiveness and unity asema wo kan the General Secretary Bekacho said, when you look at the history of this party, the NDC party, anytime they move call Adom will be that is when as a party in front and breaking as a to Adom.
Well, I am talking about my experience. Then you have party
okay.
And then you my year. Anybody am the party no ababidu. Obia one no opinion. Until me person comment on Obi opinion. Ya minimum say. It's very difficult to bring a party from opposition to government. But my bida 2008, me a national chairman, and me the party in opposition by government. 2016, 2018, I'm before you. We share resource no. Now we share say, and now you hang parliament. Party be 137, 137. Aban wati ho at me lose seat am opposition no aba betwa no ho. Ama for the first time yet me speaker of parliament o free me party mu. Sanka nipa be very honest. Ne yi personal interest, ne personal hatred from ne ye assessment. Anka obi abem say adwuma amaye no, maye adwuma so no. Ya na e call Supreme Court ne say ya lose election no. And ye dey asem ko go Supreme Court anim no man yantum. Enti say ya lose election no there. Why do you change a winning team? But
the ultimate thing for a political party is for the party to win an election.
Yes.
As it stands now,
enti na me catch us say me unfinished agenda. Unfinished agenda ne say me bo type ne say me the party ne beba aban. Me bo type ne say me the party ne beba. Na me nim say eno na da me come so say.
The time was all kasi yen change winning team. This team was is amount to me and winning political power. Am mamu party no. Want to be winning political power in
from all indications, we never lost the 2020 elections.
But you are not forming government.
Yeah, and I can say, now, going into 2024, no, I was see a winning, a resounding victory. Young Supreme Court, and can see a quack of very different. And a brave Supreme Court, I'm one for 2 million shares and some. And I started say, reorganize the party, no, right from the way the word go. A national retreat. If you see party no that see at what we near retreater, flag bearer, the running mate, minority leader, friends saying leaders of the various region, departmental heads, legal team, the election directorate. You know, Banya assessing the performance of the party. Near what went wrong. Near we near Sanse, young Fanko regional retreat. Near regional retreat in all the 16 regions. No, you see any constituency retreat. And I had me a micromanager who near my party no. Modern bo anchor so some of the constituencies no and anunti no ya say your reorganization no ya focus no branch no because I want you win election and yet me reorganize branches now ya over 40,000 elections in all the branches ya nipa akukudam and one more on betime adwuma na do masi ho enti right from the word go no ya a very solid foundation, a strong base upon which the party superstructure na DBC so and no need the winning mentality and the winning system. Nti already no me de enema gwakwam for the first time your branch elections, national officers, regional officers, constituency officers, former MPs, current MPs, former ministers, ye nyina ko to share regions mu ehwe say ye be ye adwuma no na yetimi ama party no ahoden abasoro. Enti no ye say dua kwakuwa na nse ate abo ne tirim Atansimana bati abontim intukuma ntrase ntonko. It is better say ye lead the party na ye hu say na ma we no. Any corrective measures na dey ahyehyem. Say kura no ya database for the party. Ya new electronic card. Party no dey abefo kwan so na dey ye nwumade ni ade nyina. We have changed so many things. And I believe say media me kwa madwemu a General Secretary also contested me. No, it was not necessary.
Because the competition was not necessary.
Well, it was not necessary. Say Ubia Tina baby ote. And na Ubia on the strength and weaknesses. Okay. Into we are say they won't mean be 100%. And your back for the back say, what's the something na me do be ba me nkwa ebia me na mo kukudura meet me the party. Near party ni here and say, yeah, these structures no be adwuma na build on capacity. So na be election day no onipa back for ya kukuduro for intimi enwo all the 275 constituencies menye ye. Ontimi wo all the 40,000 plus polling stations menye ye. Na obetimi aye de aboa ne say obetimi a build structures na party ni gina so ma party na nya hoden. Na on election day no wo think na kra wo nim say Keta constituency, Lembele constituency, Puzika constituency, Tachiman South constituency, friends Salaga constituency. Who nipa wa build one more betimi agina no
but these are the same group of people am call into 2020 election. E go PM wo call to kra na the coalition of Morelos kra na yeden. As a chairman you take the ultimate responsibility of the party. More court Sanoma way in Akopia say Muankasa Kramo result Kramon to me.
But if you
so won't you agree, say, Anka this national executive Anka was here Piamun in a winter?
It will be a complete disaster. Complete disaster. Me feel say MPPI mistake. Because about Mokoto ya, or national organizer, Ankobi, or chairman, Ankobi, or general secretary, every. You see, you need institutional memory. You need a certain experience to guide you as you move forward. Emra na me national organizer about 2002 no. Experience me was say no. Me need some experience no. To say no, my fan say I'm well baked for Juma Edemanim no. Me nim Ghana, my local government minister. I know the country is in my palm. I know my party. Bibi our party Nimbia, I know people by their names. I know where they are located. I know where they live. Me call me know me Juma. You need such experience to lead the party. And not just walk election back home. Not say when we didn't hear what's saying Kubio. After all, President Mahama any lead year no they call election. Yes, he lose election. For me, if President Mahama is elected as the next flag bearer of the party, it makes our work easy. It makes our work easy. And in the same thing, no, you move in your department, my direction, party, let me move. You vote from 4.8 to 6.5, and move 6 from 106 to 137. You need those people to champion the cause of the party so that rough edges be clear. No clear. You have crossed the hurdle and you have won the election.
And this crop of executive and can you see a system will be a
oh, well, I can't say this system will be a analyze here. Ubetimi say, ubenya weakest link, ubenya strong links, ubenya see, but I'm speaking for myself.
Okay.
Interview I make kasama obia intino democracy there and my home say obi person contest bia with me contest. But I'm saying say for me there me say it is good that the party retains me. Okay. Because me were a lot of experience, me were a lot of things under my sleeve because analyze it 2020 election, you know. Yehu a few loopholes. What we need to do is to correct them. I am in a better position to lead the party to win the election, even more than 2018 when I took over the party as a chairman of the party. Okay,
Chairman, so will you agree, say, as a leader of your party into 2020 election, as a chairman, move fairly to collect your results?
No. We didn't. We collected our results. I didn't think the court. In some constituencies, there can collation is done at the various constituency level. You collect your results. Supreme Court, no, the strategy legal team, no, adopt to you, no, would have created an impression, say, because the leading friends legal team, no, felt to say they want to go and argue more on constitutional matters, a bit to nullify the outcome of the election. No. They were not interested in to go into pink sheet one by one. Otherwise, yet a special audit task force, audit, pink sheets in categories of people who voted without biometric verification, where there was overvoting, and it's hard to analyzing say young quality results. How can you if you young quality results then it mean
as an opponent, as a chairman and as a leader of a party, as at that time, you fail to collect results.
We collected our results. It is very clear. We have every resource there. Ofre Mr. Friankra, who is the director of elections, he went out of place. You know, in our regions, no, the results, quality near the Etea. Obia or the constituency will say quality results. So there cannot be any fact to say. And in that case, if we did not collect results, the chief executive of the party is the general secretary. He runs the party day to day. All the departments of the party under him, they report directly to him. So if he's coming to contest me, why do you single the chairman out and say the chairman should be held responsible?
Ultimate responsibility.
No, but I'm saying that people have their jobs cut out for them. I am not responsible for collation of election results. Why do you blame me for election results collation? And I'm telling you, as far as my knowledge is concerned, and as far as me participating, a collation center, NDC collected their results. Okay. Somebody should come and tell me, because we have the figures there. And the figures are there to prove. It is never true that we did not collect our results. We collected our results for every constituency, for every polling station.
What the can say, this contest Amoko say to General Secretary and the chairman of the party, this contest Amoko is not healthy for the party. What to one among as a chairman, because you are the leader, what to one among say, and can you try as much as possible, say this contest wouldn't even happen?
That is why I'm saying that this move is a wrong move. It is not a politically correct decision. It may be pursue in a personal interest, but we should have looked at the larger interest of the party. And there were moves by the Council of Elders. His Excellency President Mama Nkasa making moves. Emma Mpenifo Efra near Transit more than 1 year ago. And the General Secretary said that he had not taken a decision and that he has options. And so there were moves. There were every effort that was made to prevent this from happening. But, well, you can force the donkey to the riverside, but you cannot force it to drink. And if the person says, I'm going, it's a constitutional right. But I think that right is not in the interest of the party.
Your friend, the chairman of Ofosu Ampofo, or no chairman, Edema NDC, Amayoko, Nebuchadnezzar, you try and waba, Yaba, Yabatwas. Ebusan yekoya ya senamba ye di enkomo ewo AdomTV so said ye tie ne adwumadi so na yeguso edi enkomo no chairman nanse ye mu ye tete nsam are you now campaigning for Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo as a president?
Nana Akufo-Addo obe contest election bi wana
Dabi,
and that's the question. Ono ankasa no the party for kra no efri no hoko because the party for no air campaign for possible people are one barber replacing. How can me as a national chairman go and campaign for Nana Akufo-Addo? Me can say Akufo-Addo ba me government one ma ho kiraba one ma manu ma yedin one ma niam aboa yedin dollar any CD depreciation no move at a very alarming rate. Ghana is almost a collapsed state. Inti no yan rescue oman no rescue Ghana. And Nana Akufo-Addo no ship of state no ono no ye pilot and also a captain of the ship of state. And I see ship no air sinking. And I say let's rescue the ship because the man himself needs salvation. On one case, President Mama Aka on several occasions say the economic management team not fail. Inti Nana Akufo-Addo pa on your national economic forum. No President Mama the team beba e de aba beboa na yetimi save country no. Is he campaigning for Nana Akufo-Addo? I'm asking you.
No.
So what's the fuss about say Makoka say rescue Ghana and save the man because the man himself needs salvation. He's the ship captain of the ship of state and the ship is sinking and that ship is Ghana. Ye nyina enye communal labor ni rescue o man we say no ankasa here salvation. When we say Nkrofo catch and say on reshuffle the government also on yet.
So why do you think Nkrofo would take you out of context
now you know,
that way?
Unim, Bible quotation be or as of for me and somebody be preaching. They will preach from different angles. People who don't like you will look at it and give it a negative twist. Because we can say Oman is sinking. Oman is going to the wrong direction. The captain of ship has lost his way. How can you save the ship without saving the captain? It's figurative. It's so unfortunate that people will put a spin on it, say, may campaign for Nana Akufo-Addo. Nana Akufo-Addo is not contesting in 2020 elections, 2024 elections. Why do you campaign for?
Maybe possibly
in any case, let me tell you, say, me yachimuni.
Yes.
And I'm a national organizer of the party. For 9 years, I'm a national organizer of the party. Nana Akufo-Addo contested elections 2 times. Me lead Professor Mills campaign team, and I beat Nana Akufo-Addo. I'm a Professor Mills be president. Didn't people know I was an Achim person? Do you know what I've suffered as an Achim person to become NDC chairman or organizer? And na kochebi na kohwe. Ya ka chebi egu kota akosi mikro mu yesikem. The next town from Chebi, it's a short distance. Krono kra bom. Kohwe me hodom asphalt ba ho kra ebi ankoho. Achim du krom ba bi ma menu free. Attach acheche street lights. E dia fa enkroni nyina twam. Omudu me village on no street light don't for ba kokra nko adent me Nkrofo to aba ama NDC e wa chimodu kromiti no they don't deserve to be given street light. So I am suffering and being punished. You lose election 2000 election no mafu da about 7-acre citrus plantation dey jakotu mu 8 ni nyina in 2004 ebra na me gina for friends parliament for MP e wo Fanti Akwa. me agents echo da Busu Cocoa College and na jo be attacking yen me car one mo de dadeɛ ɛwɔ mum na my car no 4,000 na si fam I couldn't escape they wanted to kill me and I'm starting bobo mu din say who asumasi we minimo who asumasi we minimo boys na be party agent no omo tata bi no ma ebi no kra koto brem num because who kobo Busu Cocoa College brem no da college nim fimfin ebi no koto mu anka omu that is how I've suffered as an Achim person following NDC. It will be very wrong and suicidal and painful, sir. At this time, Mama pay just our party, ya bedru baby adrino. We be like some Achim nintino. Me Achim. I mean, to the extent to cross and go for cross, oh, ye per se, ye can be beer. Now, Achim him for a frame. Achim him for Ben a be frame. Now, Mama can be Achim for NDC. How many times have they seen me in any company of an MPP person? NDC per se, omugu eni masia. When your opponent become first, one because we are anti-Mahama. And we are first accusation.
Now, one got anti-Mahama.
How can I be anti-Mahama? President Mahama made in the court parliament, 1997. Nyame eye madam, you appointing as deputy minister for communication, and you appointing as deputy minister for Eastern region. Menina ye juma, emra me be ye local government minister no. Now you vice president no. Opobi I'm not representing no program bi ase a me no oba soma me ebesa me nkoye adwuma no. There was a time when me bisa the late Bafoboni no ye the special advisor say identity na bibia na president mama soma say me na me nko ejema no. O say president mama say osmo say ko ye bibi man na or da no wada because odim say you will deliver I won't for bibia ma. That is the kind of relationship that me president mama. In the history of NDC party no, go back and check say Chairman Ben and now why you Juma man flag bearer to send me my president mama. Every nook and cranny I'll call our 2020 campaign team. Na me ne echo. Ebi no say oh and they form campaign teams. Now say chairman so form the campaign team. No so one baby. Those same people would have said say chairman was pursuing his personal ambition to form the campaign team.
A friend chairman of Ofosu Ampofo or no the only chairman for the NDC as it stands now. The only chairman for the NDC or no na yene ne twetwe nkomo ntiebusua ma menya wo mu na yemfa nkomo nsi ya da foforo ye besa tena na ye di nkomo efrem da che hene na yawo asante good evening.